Yeah, look at that vortex. See if I could get there. Oh, is that not cool? Hey, it's Paul Seaver from Palm Beach Springs Water Company. I'm just out here checking my system I have running. So this is ElectroLIFE for hydrothermal water treatment, industrial water treatment. Look at that. Can you see those gases? Look at that. What you're looking at is a lot of oxygen. So we got green reactive oxygen gas that's created at the anode during electrolysis, combining with green hydrogen gas created at the cathode during electrolysis. It's calming down right now because it's in a flush out. So instead of coming into the tank, now it's going out on the ground. But this is what retains afterwards. So you see a lot of motion in there. But so the reaction between the reactive oxygen and the hydrogen, of course, is oxygen. So notice how clean this tank is. You don't see anything. If you want to see anything, you got to come over to the water inlet where nothing gets to it. And that can get a little slimy. That's just to prove we got live water coming in here. But other than that, you would think that this whole tank would be contaminated, but it's not. And no, I did not just clean it prior to making the video. This is just random, as you can tell, because there's some garbage right there. It's a little ring around. Little ring around. Need to do a little cleanup. So anyway, this is obviously I'm right on the highway. So this is what it does for all water. So I want to show you something. This is pretty cool. I'm going to get out my ORP meter. And I want to show you. Look at that. Now, you want to talk about being non-corrosive? There's no way in the world you got ORP like that running through your pipes. So that's restructuring water. So you could tell that we have no sanitation problems whatsoever. This is straight on well water. Trust me, I turn this system off. This thing will go to hell in a handbasket. It'll take about 2 or 3 days. The entire tank will be green. It'll start turning green real fast. You can see just a light green tint now. That's the natural color as it's being processed. So because you got live water coming in, mixing with dead water. Well, live water coming in, mixing with restructured water. I was trying to build my vortex again. As that pump starts, this is a cone bottom tank. I do it on purpose so we can suck all the stuff off the top. Keep the top clean. Everything goes into a filtration system. That's just particle filtration, no carbon. There it goes like a tornado. Look at it going towards the bottom. It's drying, it's drying. It's there it goes, it reached it. Look at that, that's so cool. Vortex implosion. That's right, baby. We combine everything. Look at that. Look how awesome that is. Yeah. Nothing escapes. Nothing. Gotta love it. So that's ElectroLIFE for hydrothermal. Completely restructuring your water, making it 100% compatible with your equipment. There's no way to show you that this has a positive dominant charge on it, but it should be obvious because it's very well maintained. And I use absolutely nothing to maintain it. Only the electronic unit. So there it is. That's my video of the week. Electrolyzing water with Paul. It's always a good time. Look at those gases. Just imagine, this is the water on my house. I get to shower in this water, everything. I don't drink it though. I have a different unit for consumption. Because this has a high TDS because it's well water. It's probably, that's why you see a lot of gases. The higher the TDS, the more gases you're going to get. And this well water here is over 500 something parts per million. I haven't checked it lately. So yeah, you wouldn't want to drink it. Have a good one. Get ElectroLIFE. Say goodbye to the vortex.
Let's say hello to the bubbles. Lots of bubbles.